Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series, which is from class 12, exercise 4.1, basic mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find the nth term and sum of two n terms. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 dot. So dear students, in this question we are given a series. At first we have find out the nth term, or we can say general term. Then we have find out sum of two n terms of the given series. That means we have find out the sum of the first n terms of the given series. Here we go. Dear students, the given series is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dot dot plus dot dot dot. Dear students, each term of the series, that means first term, second term, third term, each term of the given series is given as the sum of the numbers. So directly we can find out the general term by using the formula of the general term of arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence. So let's look at the series. See, if we look at the third term is in the arithmetic series. That means each term of the given series is given as the sum of the numbers, and it is in the arithmetic series as well. 2, 3, 4, they are in arithmetic series, but the terms of the given series is given in the form of sum. So in order to find the general term, we have to use the formula of the sum of arithmetic sequence. Dear students, we know that the formula of the sum of arithmetic sequence is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So by using the formula of the sum of arithmetic series, we'll get the general term of the given series, because each term of the series is given as the sum of the terms. It is given in the form of sum, and which is in the arithmetic series. Dear students, let's keep n as it is. A means, let's look at the third term of the given series. A means 2, because in each term the first term is 2, the first term is 2, so we can write the value of A2 plus n minus 1 times d. D means common difference. T2 minus T1, 3 minus 2 means 1. So dear students, please keep in the mind, if the terms of the series, if each term of the given series is given as the sum of the other numbers, then we have to apply the formula of the sum of arithmetic sequence, or we have to use the formula of the sum of the geometric sequence. Here, if we look at the third term is given as the sum of 2, 3, 4. So here we have to use the formula of Sn, that means the formula of the sum of n terms of arithmetic series. So dear students, 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1. So we get n by 2, n plus 3, which is the general term. General term Tn equals n by 2 multiplied by n plus 3. So dear students, the general term of the series, we have got n divided by 2 times n plus 3 by using the formula of the sum of arithmetic sequence. Dear students, now after finding the general term, we can find out now sum of the terms of the given series. Sum Sn. Sn means the sum of the first n terms of series. So SN means we know that summation Tn. In sigma notation, summation Tn represents sum of the first n terms of the series. So let's substitute the value. Summation Tn means the value of Tn is n divided by 2 times n plus 3. This means now let's do further simplification. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can take common. Summation n plus 3. So this means the coefficient always we have to keep outside of the summation sign. That means 1 by 2 times summation n plus 3. Dear students, now 1 by 2. Dear students, now 1 by 2 as it is. N times n we get summation n square plus n times 3 we get 3n. Now we can write the series as the sum of n square plus 3n. That means breaking down the series into two parts. We have summation n square plus 3n. This means we know that summation n square means the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. That means we get Dear students, we know that summation n square means n times n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6 plus 3. So 3 times summation 3n means 3 times summation n. We know that summation n means the sum of the first n natural numbers, which we can write as n times n plus 1 over 2. So dear students, we have almost got the solution of the question. Simply we have to do the simplification. So we can take n plus 1 by 2 common. So after taking common n plus 1 by 2, dear students, now the remaining terms are 2n plus 1. So if we take 2 common from 6, then we get 3. Remaining term will be 3. n plus 1 by 2 already we have taken common, so remaining term is 3. 2 times 2 we get 4. Again we can take LCM 3. 3 3s are 9. Dear students, now after simplification we get, dear students, after simplification we get 2n plus 9 plus 1 means 10 over 3. So the final answer is 4 3s are 12, 1 by 12. So dear students, the required solution, that means the sum to n terms, or we can say sum of the first n terms of given series is Sn equals 1 by 12 times n plus 1 to n plus 10, which is the solution of the given question. So dear students, I hope that you have understood how to find the general term and sum to n terms of any given series. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.